Morning rains that have been now reported in the national capital as residents of Delhi NCR, of course, felt respite with the heat and the humidity there. But because of the rains, once again, it seems to be the same story that seems to have been repeating itself when it comes to waterlogging that has been reported in several of those areas that have added to the inconvenience of the commuters. Let me go across to Sabyasachi now. Sabyasachi, good morning. Relief for many of the Delhiites there. Of course, we've been waiting for the rains to happen, but when these rains happen, they lead to chaos.
Well, absolutely. See, on one hand, the people of the national capital look for rain to get some relief from the heat and humidity. But on the other hand, they also have to face the inconvenience that has been caused here in the national capital because of the rain. Because several parts of Delhi has been waterlogged because of the rain. And also another issue which is rising is the water rising at the Yamuna. Now the authorities have informed the people who have been living near the banks of Yamuna to move to higher ground because of the water level continuously increasing, and it may enter into their residences. So this is another problem which the people of the national capital has to deal with. Meanwhile, in NCR as well, the Noida authority have instructed the people to move to higher ground for a couple of days because of the water level increasing at Yamuna because of the rain. So on one hand, people get relief from the heat and humidity, but on the other hand, they have to face the inconvenience because of the rain, massive traffic jam, hours of inconvenience for the people of national capital.
Right, and where all are we looking at these pictures coming on from Sabyasachi? Because currently we are looking at pictures from Barapulla and also from Janpath, all prime locations that we are talking about where waterlogging has been reported.
Well, absolutely. If you talk about Barapulla, Janpath and certain areas in South Delhi which are completely submerged under water, there has been waterlogging which has been reported from these areas. We had seen that whenever it rains continuously here in the national capital, this particular issue of waterlogging create chaos. We had seen that few days back when it rained for a couple of hours continuously. What was the situation of national capital? There was massive traffic jam in different areas. People were facing a lot of inconvenience to
Absolutely.
move
Delhiites
around.
had to face a harrowing time. That time when we look about the waterlogging that was reported, excess rather, that was reported. Those pictures coming in from different parts of the national capital, some areas that have been waterlogged, some that have reported as far as a respite coming in from the heat and the humidity.